The state government on Monday halted rescue operations on the under-construction building which collapsed in Kankona after the adjacent building was seen tilting. 12 workers from the collapsed construction site were not traceable.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar on Monday informed media that the rescue operations of the under-construction building that had collapsed in Kankona had been halted after the adjacent building was seen tilting and the government ordered the demolition of the tilting building. Mr. Parrikar said that the prima facie report of the incident indicated criminal negligence by the contractor. The state government has filed an FIR against TCP officials, municipal engineers for permitting illegalities in the project. Mr. Parrikar said that the government will appoint a committee headed by the retired IAS officer V.K. Jha to probe into the matter under the Municipal Council Act.
As of now, the report indicates that there are no surviving person in the debris. 17 bodies have been taken out. 12 people are listed as not traceable. Also pathetic conditions and a criminal negligence by the contractor, that when he knew that there is a crack to this particular, he continued with the workers. Like today, for example, when we knew that the building is tilting, I withdrew the people who are working there because I cannot put them in risk. We have also decided to form a committee under the Municipal Act headed by Mr. Jha, a retired IAS officer. 2 more members will be there. One will be civil engineer and another architect. The probe will basically pinpoint the problem caused and pinpoint the responsibility. Now this is a probe and also will suggest what should be the line of action, because I do not consider a judicial probe as of now. One problem which is there is occupancies in this particular building appears to have been given without even obtaining structural stability certificate. All have been given at the level of deputy town planner local and not sent to the head office, chief town planner, as is required. Municipal engineer थेच केला सगळें and town planner थेच केला सगळें, which is not correct procedure. But main important role आहे तो municipal engineer and the structural architect and RCC consultant and the contractor and the owner obviously. As of now, at least the contractor and the builder are not traceable. I will get the report tonight. Maka ista ek gazal ji government haven immediately direction dila, te म्हणजे director municipal administration and panchayat both to be issued clear direction of what are the documents they should obtain on their record before they give license and before they give occupancy. ह्या संदर्भातले फुडल्या 2-4 दिसा भितर एक सर्क्युलर तांकां इश्यू जातले की ह्यो गजाली तुमी रेकॉर्डाचेर घेवच्यो पडटल्यो, ताज्या नंतरूच तुमकां कितें तें फुडें तुमचें एज पर युअर रूल्स यू कॅन.
While State Congress President John Fernandez demanded for a judicial inquiry into the matter and also asked for inquiry in the 133 square meter flat which the Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar has in his name.
I will not jump to any political conclusion, but that is what people are saying there, that the local MLA has parked himself in those high-rise buildings. From nowhere he has gone and descended there, and I am told that he is holding 2 apartments. That's what people are saying. It's for the government to investigate. And the very fact no one has been booked so far, it is a pointer, to that direction. But I don't want to politicize it at the moment. No government servant, government bureaucracy is involved into it. I want a judicial inquiry committee. Everybody will be involved into it, including the chairman of the town planning board.
Meanwhile, spokesperson of the State Nationalist Congress Party, Trojan de Mello, said that since the Kankona MLA Ramesh Tavadkar was also the sports minister of the state, keeping in mind the upcoming Lusophonia Games 2014, a 3-member expert committee was needed to be appointed to verify the quality of the construction of the infrastructure of the Lusophonia Games.
What Tarwadkar is presiding over the sports ministry, which is overlooking the infrastructure work for Lusophonia Games. It is the NCP demand with such a character, charge-sheeted, having a office in one of the most dubious situations. The NCP demands that an expert committee be formed to verify the quality of works going on for the Lusophonia Games, especially the stadiums, which could be a disaster for Goans during those games.
Meanwhile, municipal engineer Shri Ajay Desai, attached to the Kankona municipality, has been placed under suspension with regards to the collapse of the under construction building of Ruby Residency at Chaudi, Kankona.